Okay, have you ever looked or curious how it looks like the wood under a microscope 1000 time enlargement? Okay, now then you can view this video. Okay, as you can see, this is the thick wood. Okay, there's a black strip there and there's a brown wood there. Okay, let's take a look. Uh, Bigger. What's inside that? Okay, now we can see clearer what is the black stripe there and what is the brown. Okay, you can see there in the thick wood. Okay, there's a crack everywhere in the black stripe. You see before it only black stripe, and you can see now bigger in bigger view in more detail. It look like a burnt wood, but it is not. That's the texture of the wood. Yep. Okay. Now you can see, and you already see what it look like if we enlarge under microscope thick wood 1000 times enlargement. Okay, if you want to see more video, just subscribe and ring the bell so you get noticed when I upload new video. Thank you for watching.